In hereditary, we have a semantic layer. As a semantic layer, we mean an ontology that represents the reality of interest for us. What's the reality of interest for us? Are the neurological diseases, Parkinson, Alzheimer, mental health issues, ALS, MS, and these are the diseases. We have the gut, so the microbiome and all the analysis, and the interaction between the two. So we have a very heterogeneous environment. An ontology allows you to represent this environment in a unified way so that we speak the same language. We can ask questions about the diseases and the interaction using the same terms and the same ideas behind that. This means that we can ask queries in a centralized manner using a common language, and then these queries are mapped on premises. So we map this general query to the local premises, and then we have an answer that is understandable by anyone. Once we have this answer, then we can have a unified view on the data, and we can build visualizations on top of that. Visualizations are meant to let us to understand the data in a better way. Us, I mean experts, clinicians, but also normal citizens that are interested in the problem. So these are complex matters. So with visualization, we aim to simplify the way in which you interact with the data, you understand the data, but also the way in which you ask something, the way in which you ask queries, because when we talk about queries, we are talking about very complex and technical languages that also a clinician cannot use. So we need to make it available to anyone in natural language or with some aided interfaces, and then translate this into the technical language. So in hereditary, we have the semantic layer to interact with all the data that is heterogeneous, and the visual layer to interact with the semantic layer.